Okay, hey guys. So this is the video for the web scrapping. So I'm going to show you how it works. So in the README file, it shows how you can install all the dependencies you need to, all the requirements you need to run this program successfully. Yeah. So basically here we're importing Selenium. We're importing the WebDriver from Selenium, time and pandas. So I'm gonna run that. So this code, this code right here, the driver opens this site using the WebDriver. The WebDriver we just imported from Selenium. You understand? So the main why we're using the main reason why we're using Selenium is because this site right now is a dynamic site. You understand? So it's not like a static site. If it was a static site, I think we would have used our beautiful soup. Yeah, we would have used that. So yeah, like you see now it's opening. So what it does, like, opens a Chrome browser on your system and then opens the site. So whatever link you put in here, it opens that link. Yeah. So it's in the site. So this is the site we want to scrap. So we want to scrap the amount and the from addresses. Yeah, that's what we want to scrap. So let's see. So basically here I'm creating a list where I'll store all the data I'm going to scrap from the site. That's the amount I'm from. Yeah. Hope you guys can hear me. So run that. So let's just check if it's actually empty. Okay, it's empty. So this is actually a whole lot. What we're doing here is we're trying to find the button, this button, because we want to scrap all the whole web pages. You understand? We want to scrap everything, the whole 30, the whole 200 and have it right, 200 and 294 transactions. Yeah, total transactions. Yeah, 294. So everything is here. So we want to be clicking this button. And be, getting the data from each page. So that's what we want to do. So we're using the expert to find the button. So basically what this line of code here does is that it gets the total number of pages. That's this, it's 30. So what it does, we're using the expert to locate this number. You understand? So what the expert does is that it locates the text, and the text is of 30. You understand? So what we did here exactly was that we removed that text off, so it could be only 30. So we now converted that 30 here to an integer. You understand? Converted it to an integer. So why I did this integer -1 is because in Python, indexes, numbers start from 0. So from 0 to 29 is basically 30, and there are 30 pages there. You understand? So that's why I did this, the int number -1. Yeah. So I'm gonna run it now. So this is what scraps the whole data. You understand? So what this does is a while loop. Uses the while loop to it goes to the site. The while loop is what clicks the button. Once the while loop clicks the button, it scraps the whole data from here and from here and appends them into the empty list we created initially. It clicks the button again, it keeps iterating and clicking the button and storing the data. So that's what this line of code does. It clicks the button, prices. So we use this expert again. We're using find elements of expert. This is like a Selenium, function. You understand? So it finds this data using expert. You can actually use class name or label name, but I choose to use expert. So once it does, it uses the for loop to append all the data on that row. On that column. Yeah. That's what it does. It does that for amount and for from. So I put this inside a try and except block, because just to it's not like the code can't run without it. It can, but just to be safe, you understand? Because when it clicks this button, like again, like let's say it reaches the last page, which is 30, and tries to click, it brings out an error that the button is not clickable anymore. So instead of throwing that error to our we just print this instead. The button is no longer clickable. You understand? So this increments this increment this is the condition for the while loop. So the norm increments, and yeah. So this time sleep now, this ensures, because Python is actually quite faster than the network I use and the site, you understand? So what Python does, that as you use this while loop, the while loop is so fast that the while loop could before, let them go to the site. So before this is done loading, like before you click this and it's trying to load into the next page, Python would have scanned this like 4 times, would have like imputed this into the list like 4 times the data here, and that's not good, you understand? So I'm trying to make the while loop a bit slow, so it can so that the pace of the site and Python will be, and the program will be like, the same. So I'm going to run it now. It's going to take some time. I'm going to go here to show you how it's doing that. So you see it's clicking. Watch this number. Yeah, it's waiting 5 seconds, you understand? So right now it's scanning the data. It's trying to store the data, sorry. Yeah, so it's clicking the button now and scanning. So I'm going to pause the video now because it's going to take some time, and I'll start when it's over. Okay, so hey guys, it's back. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, so it's done. So everything is in this all the data is in this amounts and from. Let me try and run it so you can see it. Amount. So this is the whole data. There's the whole data, everything, the whole transactions. So I'm going to run for from. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah. So I won't want to run this because I've already done that. You understand? I've already done that, and I won't want this I won't want it to append this data again into the CSV file. So basically I use pandas here to create a data frame. This is the data frame. I printed it out. This is the data frame, the whole data frame. Pandas does this. It indexes it automatically and all. So pandas also has this functionality to convert a data frame into the CSV file. So that's what I did here, and yeah, that's it. I don't want the video to be too long, so yeah. Bye guys.